Shongkha Khynnah kala desisha kawe ni kimat kebangi hab banya keren kumno ban lait naka hoi deru ke Shongkha Khynnah bala wan lam ke jenis nosi akikur ki kha ne bat ki paramarjan namar dei na kadaw ju simrai bakla ju ki samla banya Shongkha Khynnah kapan poiru hadu upur usam banya kiu yingli ying saw bat kane kapan long kat hadu ban kata mat yong ni kalong ren yang ubriu kumta habai de bat kane kumbangi jutep baka an kamla ban le silyang yanuinu lagi samla ki yaman lang ne kim yaman lang andre sisin balayo jingtep bagi kena samla kentai ki brang hapok kerta ka bakhat prasnam ki poye Shongkha ka an ka haban kembet ya usinrang bat ki ngat haki kendon ki bae hakane ka benta ba andriu Hills News Network la yo ru ban kili perthau ni ki bor jong ka an ban tip ka e ka bagi don ban ong bat haba yo ban ni keren bagi Bikram di Marak Superintendent of Police ka West Khasil District ula batai katu kat ni kijing batai tungin ya sengap kumnu uang.
First and foremost, let me touch the particular act which has been passed for prevention of crime against children, which we all know that it is known as a Pocso Act. In West Khasi Hills, in 2022, we have around 43 cases of Pocso cases. In 2023, we have around 44 cases, and 2024 till date, it's 12 cases. So looking at the figure, I can say that there is a slight increase in the Pocso cases, and of course, there is a conviction also. In 2022, 12 person has been convicted. 2023. 18% has been convicted, and in 2024 till date 11% has been convicted in this Pocso case. When I say Pocso cases, there are certain rules and regulations where we have to abide by the years or the age of a particular person. So like the topic which you have brought out regarding early pregnancy. For us, we go by the rules. When we find the case to be a fit case of Pocso, which means minor age, we take it as a Pocso case, and immediately we take a stringent measures. Yes, there are certain hiccups in these cases also, but it is my fervent advice to the parents and to the teenagers that not to be carried away by the bad website in the internet which are easily available now. Even the parents also has to have a certain kind of restrictions put into the use of the internet, and the most important part is to make aware of their children about the early pregnancy or the teenage pregnancy, which hampers in the long run to the health condition of the particular girl child. And in that case, there are certain campaigns which we have run through various NGOs, through various police units, where we include or where we take everyone in our platform, all the stakeholders. We target the particular target groups. We try to find out where and when it went wrong, and the places we identify, and accordingly we try to create an awareness or a campaign in the particular area with the targeted groups, so that the parents, the teenage, both boys and girls, know about the ill effects of this issue which we are facing now, and to refrain from such activities.